It is only by living on a spiritual basis that our lives will truly change long term for the better. When we rely absolutely on our higher power, we feel safe to take the steps with integrity. Facing our past, making restitution and coming clean matures us like no other method we have found. This is where we become adults in space and time. We coexist with our fellows as equals. We are all family in this big, beautiful world of ours. Having committed ourselves to go to any lengths to have a spiritual life, making amends cleans out the pathway for the sunlight of the Spirit to shine through. We're going to start with the Serenity Prayer, and then we'll go into the daily reflections. If you or someone you know are questioning yourselves about whether or not you're an alcoholic or whether they are an alcoholic or drug addict, reach out. We can help you. You don't have to do it alone. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Grant me patience with the struggles that take time, and appreciation for all that I have, tolerance of those with different struggles, and the strength to get up and try again, one day at a time. September 24th, Vigilance. We have seen the truth demonstrated again and again. Once an alcoholic, always an alcoholic. Commencing to drink after a period of sobriety, we are in a short time as bad as ever. If we are planning to stop drinking, there must be no reservation of any kind, nor any lurking notion that someday we will be immune to alcohol. Alcoholics Anonymous, page 33. Today I am an alcoholic. Tomorrow will be no different. My alcoholism lives within me now and forever. I must never forget what I am. Alcohol will surely kill me if I fail to recognize and acknowledge my disease on a daily basis. I am not playing a game in which a loss is a temporary setback. I am dealing with my disease, for which there is no cure, only daily acceptance and vigilance. Once we have crossed the line, there is no coming back as normal people. Our alcoholism is like the pickle. It can never become a cucumber again. Maybe that is why they say a drunk gets pickled. Stopping in time, before destroying our physical health, can save our bodies, but not our alcoholic minds. We have an allergy of the body and an obsession of the mind. The only solution for us is the spiritual one. Liquor was but a symptom of our problem. For a while, we believed drinking was our solution. It calmed us, and we experienced a sense of ease and comfort. But it was fleeting. It always stopped working for every alcoholic we know. Then we were at the jumping-off place. The drink didn't give us the relief we needed, and we couldn't stop drinking. This is the baffling feature of alcoholism as we know it. This utter inability to leave it alone, no matter how great the necessity or the wish. The delusion we could drink like normal men had to be smashed. Surrendering to the reality of our desperate condition was necessary to move forward in recovery. Vigilance means to be alertly watchful, especially to avoid danger. We were in danger for sure. We have a daily reprieve contingent on the maintenance of our spiritual condition. Prayer and meditation, unselfish service to others, we stay close to our God. We accept who and what we are. We admit we are real alcoholics, not mere problem drinkers who occasionally drink too much. We are people who, if when we honestly want to, find we cannot quit entirely, or if when drinking we have little control over the amount we take, we are probably alcoholic. Self-will and self-knowledge are of no help for us. We say we are recovered on a daily basis as long as we stay close to Him and perform His work well. We have optimism in the rooms of AA because once we awaken, a new world of opportunity and resources opens up for us where we can thrive like we could have never imagined. Things that were invisible to our thinking now bring us joy. Helping others is the bright spot of our days. Old fears and obsessive thinking drain away as we continue working and living the steps. growing closer to our higher power and our fellows. We experience a new freedom and a new happiness. Our new way of living is the result of letting go and letting God take our worries, where all we need to do is listen and look for His direction. Simple, not easy. A price has to be paid. September 24th, Vigilance. We have seen the truth demonstrated again and again. Once an alcoholic, always an alcoholic. Commencing to drink after a period of sobriety, we are in a short time as bad as ever. If we are planning to stop drinking, there must be no reservation of any kind, nor any lurking notion that someday we will be immune to alcohol. Alcoholics Anonymous, page 33. Today I am an alcoholic. Tomorrow will be no different. My alcoholism lives within me now and forever. I must never forget what I am. Alcohol will surely kill me if I fail to recognize and acknowledge my disease on a daily basis. I am not playing a game in which a loss is a temporary setback. I am dealing with my disease, for which there is no cure, only daily acceptance and vigilance. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.